y'all. Let me get some sauce. Wait. You got this right here? Good.
What's poppin', you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in again. So today here, we have Kenzie with me on the side, and then we also have a special guest. We have my cousin Jakaya. She's right here in the background. So if you guys hear them, don't be alarmed. No biggie. But let me just tell you guys what we got here. My area staple is called Pony's Chicken Fingers, okay? If you haven't had these chicken fingers and you're not from this area, you'll just never know. But anyways, we got some medium flavored chicken fingers. We got some of their fries. We got some ranch. This is some of the best ranch I've ever had, by the way. I actually told Kenzie to check and see if they would try to sell me like a gallon of ranch, but she forgot. But in case you guys are wondering, this is the box that it came in, which is why I set it up right here for you guys. Right here for this chicken and the fries, this came to what? Basically $20, $21 pretty much. And then I got a Pizza Hut salad here because I love me a good salad, y'all. It's the best, especially with their ranch. But you guys, today we're going to be talking about how Kenzie and I met. Now, let me just tell y'all. So, it's a crazy story. I'm not going to lie to y'all. It exposes how crazy I can be. And Kenzie will attest to that. So I'm gonna dive right in. Right? So I'm just gonna open up some of these ranches. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah.
You just got the ink in that one.
I don't care. Go ahead and dig in, babe. Y'all, it's been a while since I had some ads. It's good. Shit good.
Jimmy.
My bad. This was my cousin Pootie. I'll link his description down in the below for his IG. I'll also put it right here in the video. So you guys be on the lookout for that. Go give him a follow. Also, you can go give me a follow at JChinnBeEatinPR. I'm also on Twitter at the same exact JChinnBeEatinPR. So go ahead and give me a follow, you guys.
It's kind of spicy.
I got a big gulp here. Maybe one day I'll tell you guys my secret recipe. Ask Kenzie. It's good. Dig in, babe.
Oh, that was crunchy.
What's wrong?
You ain't gonna use that one with the ink? You just got the ink in that one.
I don't care. Y'all, she's talking about this right here. I'll try to get close enough. A little bit of the water, like mixed with the ink from on top of this. And when I opened it up, it kind of fell in there. So when I first did it, I was just like, I don't care. Like, I'm still going to eat it. And then she saw me grab another ranch and she goes, you're not going to eat the one with the ink? Yeah, there we go. Mm. Mm. I'm telling y'all. Y'all wish y'all had this drink. I promise you.
Just eat it.
I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm probably ain't gonna touch the salad till later, but I had to do it for a thumbnail. If you guys are mukbangers, you would understand, or if you're trying to start a YouTube channel. Mm. You can burp. People like that. Well, some people do. If you don't, you get off this channel. Let's see your recollection of how these events went. Because I know we both thinking of the same exact time when I had to come to your house. Let's do dating / talking. Because, I mean, we kind of always knew each other. Like, we kind of knew each other from, like, a young age. Because you used to hang out with Taylor, yeah. And you'd always come to my grandma's.
And you were crazy? Yeah, okay. I don't even know how we started talking.
All right, y'all. Well, let me just skip to the good stuff. Let me just finish this beef chicken.
You better tell them about the time you used to ask people how I ate.
I'm gonna say that for another video, I think. Let me just finish this beef chicken, y'all. So let's get into a little bit of story time. So, the one thing that I really remember, actually there's two, okay. There's two things. And her best friend, Nikisha, you can vouch to this. I remember when she told me that she used to drive by my house to make sure that I was home. And she would try to make sure that there were no cars there that she knew to make sure that I have no other girls there. Now, she don't like to cop to this because she don't like to seem crazy, but I distinctly remember it because we were in my parking lot of my very first apartment that me and Taylor had. Tell me you don't remember that.
Okay.
Okay, y'all. So I know the thing that she's gonna say about me.
Don't start.
So, y'all, she gonna tell you about the time. I remember I was sitting in my house, and I don't know, I think we had like argued a little bit or something. I don't know. It wasn't anything crazy, basically. So she texted me, and she was basically like, I'm done messing with you. I don't want to talk to you. Like, leave me alone. Don't talk to me no more. Now, mind y'all, like, we played a game of cat and mouse for how many years now at this point? Like, almost 6, 7 years, something like that, right? So she goes, I'm done with you. Don't mess with me, da da da. So I was like, who you talking about? Because you ain't talking about me. So, y'all, I was texting her and she wasn't responding. So I had to pull up on her and let her know how crazy I really was. So I hopped in the whip, all right, pulled up to her crib. Y'all know how that go. And I started banging on the door. So she thought that she was being slick. She tried to get up off of her couch.
I texted you and told you I was in the bathroom.
Oh, so she was in the bathroom, and then I guess she texted me after I was banging on the door, and she said that she was puking. But the crazy part was, I could hear her in her living room.
I am the one way your son don't need a gun to get respect.
If y'all understood, and only a couple of people really were in that apartment when we had it. But I heard her, and I texted her and told her, I can hear you in the living room. So then I heard her get up and go out of the room. So I'm like, okay, she must have went into her bedroom. So, crazy me, I know where the bedroom is. I know where the windows is. Mind you, she lives in an apartment building, y'all.
I was really scared for my life. It's like a Lifetime movie.
So, y'all, I took my happy tail right on downstairs, walked into the parking lot, picked up rocks, and started chucking them at the window. Hello, you go answer this door today. So she continued to act like she wasn't there. So I went back upstairs and banged on that door one more time. Sat there for a second. I was just like, okay, so she want to play. So long story short, I still sat out there looking dumb as hell because she ain't opened that door. So then I went home. But needless to say, all that don't matter because look where she at now.
They have a choice.
She really didn't. No, I'm just playing. I don't want y'all to take that too serious. She definitely had a choice. It's all jokes.
I love him, I guess.
Y'all, y'all don't understand. There's so much cat and mouse to this whole relationship. For as long as we've been together, as long as we talk, y'all have no idea. But I think I'm going to close out this video. Kenzie still won't really eat on camera. I ate at least, 3 or 4 pieces of chicken already. So, you know. But if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Because my next subscriber could be on your social media. Like I said, without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much for the love and support. Until next time, y'all. Peace.